Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding a quality instrumental on YouTube. Type the song plus karaoke or instrumental and pick one with clear audio. Once done, select your output device and test levels so the singer hears the track without peaking. Make a short playlist or cue several tracks to keep the flow. This prevents awkward pauses and makes transitions smoother. Also decide if you'll use captions or a separate lyric source now to save time during the performance. Now arrange lyrics and playback for real-time singing. Enable YouTube captions if the track provides them, or open a synced lyrics tab beside the video so you can glance without pausing. Then split responsibilities. Run playback on one device and control the cue on another to prevent accidental stops. Make sure autoplay blockers are off and set the relative volumes so the backing track supports the voice. This reduces crowding in the mix and keeps phrases clear for timing and emotion. Finish by going full screen and positioning the microphone about 6 to 12 inches from the singer to capture clear vocals. If you want a keepsake, record the session with a simple recorder or OBS, watching input meters so you don't clip. After each song, quickly adjust gain or track volume to balance the next performance. If you encounter audio delay, switch both playback and mic to the same device or reduce buffer/latency settings. That single change usually fixes sync issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.